Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about the constructor. Constructor. What is a constructor and what are the characteristics of a constructor in object oriented programming? It is possible to initialize objects as soon as they are created, or in other words, can we use any tool to give values to all the data elements of an object as soon as it is created? The answer is yes. So it is possible to initialize objects as soon as they are created. It is possible initialize objects as soon as they are created. In other words, we can say that can we use any tool to can we use any tool to give values to all the data elements to give values to all the data elements to give values all the data elements of an object as soon as it is created. As soon as it is created. The answer is yes, we can do this with the help of constructors. The answer is yes. With the help of constructor. So, with the help of constructor. So, can we use any tool to give values to all the data elements of objects as soon as it is created? Yes, we can with the help of constructor. So, constructor is used here. A constructor, what is now the question are what is a constructor? A constructor is a special member function. What is constructor? Constructor is a special member function whose task is to initialize the objects of its class. Whose task is to initialize the objects of its class. So the task of the constructor is to initialize the objects of its class. It is special because its name is the one as the class name. It is special as its name is one as the class name. The constructor is invoked whenever an object and its associated class is created. The constructor is the constructor is invoked whenever an object and it is associated clause is created. It is called constructor because it constructs the value of data member of the class. It constructs the value of the member class the constructor enables an object to initialize itself when it is created. This is called automatic initialization of objects. This is called automatic initialization of objects. So, what are the special characteristics? Characteristics. Characteristics. Characteristics of the constructor. Number one, they should be declared in the public section. They should be declared in the public section. So constructors should be declared in the public section. Number one. Number two, they are invoked automatically when the object is created. Invoked automatically when the object is created. Next, they do not have a return type. They do not have a return type. They do not have a return type. Number one, not even void and therefore cannot return value. Not even void and therefore cannot return value. Cannot return value. They cannot be inherited. They cannot be inherited. Declaration. Now these were the characteristics of the constructor. Now the declaration of constructor. Class test, for example, and brace public test. This is constructor. Body. And this is the declaration of constructor. So this was about the constructor. The rest will be discussed in the next. Thanks.